CSS can be tricky, even for experienced developers. Today, we're covering 5 common CSS mistakes and how you can avoid them. 1. Overusing .important. Using important can seem like a quick fix, but overusing it leads to messy, hard-to-maintain code. Instead, focus on organizing your selectors and using specificity to control styling without overrides. 2. Not using flexbox or grid for layouts. Relying on floats or absolute positioning for layouts is outdated and inefficient. Flexbox and CSS Grid are modern tools that make creating responsive layouts much simpler. Learning them can save you time and headaches. 3. Ignoring browser compatibility. CSS properties may work differently across browsers. Use tools like Can I Use to check compatibility and add fallbacks for unsupported properties to ensure consistency. 4. Inefficient selectors. Complex, deeply nested selectors slow down rendering and make CSS harder to manage. Opt for simpler class-based selectors to keep your styles clean and efficient. 5. Forgetting responsive design. Only designing for desktop leaves mobile users behind. Use media queries to create layouts that adapt to all screen sizes, providing a better user experience.